Hi everyone, I'm Angela and welcome to Angela's Fashion Mix. If you are returning, thank you for coming back. If this is your first time visiting, I appreciate you joining and consider subscribing while you're here. Also follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Angela's Fashion Mix. Today I'm excited to share a DIY that involves two handbags. So you know how we have those pieces that we just love and we want to hold on to? Well, I have this handbag that has served me well for a lot of years. It took me a long time to find it in the color I wanted, and I loved the style once I found it. But it has come to its end. So, as you will see in the video, um, it's very versatile and very summer. I've loved it for a long time. But now I've had to make a decision to let it go. So, in doing so, I also needed to have a straw summer bag that had black details instead of brown. So, what you're seeing today is a DIY combining those two bags into the one that will coordinate with my attire, and it would be very appropriate for the beach, a garden party, or just out and about doing what you do day to day. So if you find value here, please do like the video, please subscribe, and share with someone that you know that may be interested in day to day, just maximizing, mixing and matching, and creating something new for your own wardrobe. I thank you for watching, and also stay till the end because I'll be showing you a little bit of an addition on the end. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.